Checked.
Hey, what's going on everyone? So it's Keith here again in Coding Blind Tech, and in this video we are going to be downloading Git for Windows. That way so we can have Git Bash, we can have Git version control, and that will kind of roll into the next video of getting a GitHub profile created and being able to clone repositories. Alright, let's get started. We are going to first go to the web browser. So we're going to go to Brave for me, but you can go to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whatever your browser of choice is.
Channel content dash YouTube.
All right, so we're going to go to Google.
Toolbar. Goog. Search landmark.
All right, and we're going to type in here download
Expanded. Download.
Git
Git.
for
For
Windows.
Windows.
And Git is G-I-T.
Clickable navigation landmark. Main landmark. Clickable search results.
So we're going to go by headings.
Git dash downloading package heading level 3 link. Search results heading level 1. Git dash downloading package. Link Git.
All right, we're going to want to
Git dash downloads heading level 3 link. Link Git. Git for Windows heading level 3 link.
go to the third one.
Link Git for Windows SDK. Link heading level 3 Git for Windows. Git for Windows.
And what I'll do is I'll put a link to this in the description.
Banner landmark. We bring the awesome Git SCM tools and features heading level 2. Banner landmark. We bring link download.
All right, so if we go to the first heading on the page and then down arrow one time, you'll see the download link.
Untitled dash Brave.
All right.
Save as dialog.
So I press enter on that. In Brave, it asks you to do a save as. So I'm going to Alt S on default.
Untitled dash Brave. This dialog is not currently.
All right, so now we're going to go to my downloads folder. So I'm going to press Windows R.
Run dialog. Type the name.
Type
Selection
downloads.
removed. Text unavailable. Downloads. Downloads.
All right, so in here.
Today grouping expanded. Git dash 2.45.
There it is. It's going to be Git and then the version. And the version on this is
IT dash 2.45.0 dash.
All right, you heard that 2.45.0. So I'm press
Window
enter.
dialog. Downloads. Items view list. Git to secure desktop.
All right, so we have our UAC. I'm going to do Alt Y for yes.
Git 2.45.0 setup. Git 2.45.0.
All right, now we're in the setup dialog. I'm going to press tab.
Cancel button. Only show new options checkbox checked Alt plus O. When you are ready to continue with setup comma, click next dot. Edit read only multi-line GNU general public license.
All right, so this is just the public license. You can read through this.
Install button Alt plus I.
And
cancel button. Only show new options check. Cancel button. Pane. Install button Alt plus I. Cancel button. Install button Alt plus I. Uninstall. Git 2.45.0 setup.
I'm going to move
Downloads
off of that screen so you don't have to hear the beeping. Now, I already have this installed, so it's just updating my current installation. So it may look a little different from yours, but you're going to want to make sure that you go through and select all the defaults. You want to make sure that it's added to path and things like that. If you have any trouble, please send me a comment and I will take care of it, or email me at codingblindtech@gmail.com. All right, let's go over here. Let's see if it's done.
Git 2.45.0 setup dialog installing. Please wait while setup.
All right.
Downloads.
We are still installing. It shouldn't take much longer now. All right, let's see where we're at.
Bottom. Blank. Right. Top. Bottom. Launch Git Bash 0.
All right, so now it's done.
View release notes checkbox checked.
So
Launch Git Bash checkbox not checked.
Launch Git Bash, nah.
View release notes checkbox checked.
View release notes, nah.
Not checked. Finish button Alt plus F.
Check that. Press enter on finish.
Unknown. Downloads. Items view list. Today grouping expanded.
Okay, so now that is done, the way that you can verify that you installed that correctly is open up your command prompt.
Start window.
Actually,
Search window.
Press the start menu button and type in GITBASH.
Git bash comma app comma.
And you'll hear Git Bash app. You want to hit enter on that.
Git bash /usr/bin/bash.
And this is actually going to be Git Bash terminal that comes with Git for Windows. So this will actually give you a Unix Linux feel, but you're actually on your Windows machine. So in here, the way that we can verify that Git was installed is we can do Git, so it's GIT.
Git
dash dash or git space dash dash version, and then press enter.
Git version 2.45.0.windows.1.
There you go. So now Git's installed. We have Git for Windows installed, and you will be able to follow along much better in my on my upcoming videos. So, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.
Downloads row 1. Git for Windows OBS 3.0. OBS